Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ethicon circular stapler, an essential tool for creating secure connections in various surgical procedures. This device is widely used for end-to-end, end-to-side, and side-to-side anastomoses. It features a stapler head, an anvil, and a shaft designed to provide controlled tissue compression and adjustable staple height. This flexibility allows surgeons to accommodate a wide range of tissue conditions, promoting optimal healing and patient outcomes. Before stapling, proper preparation is key. First, open the device by rotating the adjusting knob counterclockwise until the anvil shaft is completely visible. Next, carefully insert the anvil into the lumen, ensuring the tissue is secured with a purse string suture just above the anvil's tying notch. With the device trocar fully retracted, gently insert the stapler body into the lumen, bringing it snugly against the distal transection site. This meticulous setup ensures precise alignment for the upcoming anastomosis. Now, let's move to the critical step of applying and firing the stapler. Begin by slowly turning the adjusting knob clockwise to close the device, carefully approximating the tissue and ensuring no extraneous tissue is caught. As you close, confirm that the orange indicator on the tissue compression scale is fully within the green range, signifying adequate compression. Once satisfied, disengage the red safety and squeeze the firing trigger with firm, steady pressure in one continuous stroke until it touches the device body. You should feel and hear a distinct feedback. After firing, safely releasing and inspecting the anastomosis is crucial. To release the device, turn the adjusting knob counterclockwise for 2 full revolutions. Next, gently rotate the stapler 90 degrees in both directions to ensure the tissue is fully disengaged. Then, carefully pull the device out while simultaneously rotating it. Finally, remove the anvil washer and tissue donuts from within the circular knife. Inspect these donuts to confirm they are intact and include all tissue layers, verifying a complete and secure anastomosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.